Hello children, welcome back to the next science session. So again we are going to continue with chapter number 3, that is classification of animals. Okay, now in this we have studied the how animals are classified, that is invertebrates and vertebrates. Invertebrates already we have studied. We were studying vertebrates. Now in vertebrates we have completed fish and reptiles we were doing. Okay, so in last video we have completed half the characteristics of reptiles, and today in this video we will continue with reptiles only. Okay, so today we are going to see the other characteristics of reptiles. So we will start now. Yes. So reptiles. Reptiles such as turtles and tortoise have a hard protective shells on their bodies. Now, why do you think that children, this turtles and tortoise, they have this hard shell, hard protective shells on their body? Yes, this hard shell is to protect them. Yes, because this inner part, it is delicate. So to protect this inner part, they have the hard protective shells on their body. Okay, and whenever they sense danger, these reptiles curl their head and feet inward to hide inside their shells. Okay, so whenever these type of reptiles, they feel danger or they sense danger around them, what they are doing children, they are hiding themselves, means this head portion and this feet portion, it gets curled inside this hard protective shell. Okay, and in this way turtles and tortoise, they are protecting themselves from danger. Okay, now next we will see, yes, see here, lizards such as chameleons and iguanas can change their body color to blend with their surroundings and hide away from their enemies. This characteristic is called camouflage. Now children, this camouflage is very important term in this chapter. Now what is camouflage children? I will explain you. See now, lizards such as chameleons and iguanas, they have that power, that characteristic to change their body color. Okay, now what they do children, whenever they find any danger around themselves or whenever they find any enemies around themselves, what they do to hide themselves from this danger or enemies, what they are doing, they are matching their body colors along with the surroundings. Okay, for example, if the surrounding color is green, then they will change their color into green so that the enemy cannot recognize that someone is there. Okay, and they will be get protected. So that's why these chameleons and iguanas, they have that property to change their color. Okay, and when they change their color, it gets blend with the surrounding. Blend with the surrounding means it gets matched with the surroundings and no one can recognize that any lizard or something is there. Okay, it will look uniform. Okay, so that this process of blending their body with the surrounding, matching their body with their surroundings to protect themselves from enemies, that process is called as camouflage. Okay, children, understood what is camouflage? Yes, and this process is very, very important, children. This camouflage term you will get in higher classes also. So, be clear about this camouflage. Understand it very well. Okay? Then, next, reptiles reproduce by laying eggs. Okay. Now children, reptiles generally they lay eggs. They do not give birth to their young ones. Okay. They always reproduce by laying eggs. Generally many eggs are laid at one time. Now children, a single egg is not laid at one time. Generally, many eggs are laid at a time. Okay. So, this is again the property of reptiles. Then, some reptiles such as turtles and crocodiles come to the shore to lay eggs. Yes, now children, they cannot lay eggs in water. So what they do? They come to the seashore to lay eggs where their eggs are protected. Okay, otherwise what will happen? If they are laying eggs inside the water, what will happen? It will get destroyed. Okay, that's why these turtles and crocodiles they are coming to the coming beside the shores to lay eggs. Okay, so understood, children? Very good. Then next, yes, see now how they are protecting. See, they protect their eggs from enemies by hiding them under sand. Okay, so they are hiding their eggs under the sand so that nobody should see, nobody can see their eggs. Okay, once the eggs mature, the young reptile hatches out and grows. Okay, so from that eggs, once the eggs get mature, the young reptile it comes out and it start growing. Okay, then most reptile have four limbs to move around. Snakes, however, do not have legs. Yes, most reptiles, children, they have four limbs, but the special feature of snake, they do not have legs. They move with the help of scale present on their body. Okay, so this is the special feature of snakes. Children, I have told you one more feature of snake, that they can remove their old skin, and that old skin is replaced by the new skin. That process is called as molting. That was the new characteristic of, that means that is a special characteristic of snake. And this is again a special characteristic of snake, that snakes do not have legs. They move with the help of scale present on their body. Okay, so children understood all the characteristics of reptiles? Yes, I have explained you all the characteristics of reptiles and we have completed the reptiles part. Okay, now next video we will start with new topic. Okay, so we will stop here and we have completed the reptile part. You have to read each and every characteristic of reptiles, understand it well. Okay, and then we will start with new topic in next session. Till then, goodbye children, take care.